Hey guys, this is technology technician engineering service with the air conditioner. Today I'm gonna show you industrial adjust fan motor connection. So first of all, this is relay contactor, magnetic contactor. So inside the fire and damage, now I'm fixed the new relay contactors and against the looking connections. So first of all, the timer connection. And red and black phase and neutral. Go to timer amps 8 and 7. The timer connection 8 and 7 where look drawing have very easy. 8 and 7 inside motor on and timer on. So again here 5 and 3 shorts and here 7 and 6 shorts. And this is the relay contactor base. Hair drawing, no problems, very easy. A2 and A1. Here A1, here little writing 2, and here A2 where 7. Outline 24, then 14. This is the outline fan motor. Go to the hair, and this is air motor. Okay, and this is the inside switch on off switch connection. This is the timer 2 and here base relay contactor plus 1. Okay, the base connection A2 21 and A1 go to the timer switch and here timer. Okay, now I fix the new relay contactor base and try here look line. Okay, and on the breaker, go to the breaker and on the changeover.